it's time for a mindful movement moment with Miss Lori and Lenny the Porcupine at Love and Learning Lodge, where we show you 2 movements that you can add into your day. The first one, I will add in my disclaimer that I am not a yoga instructor and I do not do these poses perfectly, but do kids need perfection? No. What they need is you. So we will dive into this first one and I will show you the source of this one. It's a deck of cards called Yoga Pretzels, and it has a lot of great yoga ideas. This one is called a pretzel, and it shows you on the back all of the steps to perform this pose. You start out by sitting. You keep one leg bent, the other one around. It starts out where I'm able to do that. But then you're supposed to put this underneath and this arm behind and be able to hold hands. I am not flexible enough to even come close. So I just do this twist, which feels great to me. As with any pose, adapt it how you need so that you are still having fun. And then the second one is just some breathing. And the children in my care, this is always their favorite breathing. It's snake breathing. Take in a big breath, and when you breathe out, you sound like a snake. Nice and slow. And you breathe in and out as many times as you like. All right, Lenny's going to give this a try too. All right, Lenny. Here we go. Our first one, let's see, can you do the pretzel? Oh, it looks like Lenny's doing a very nice job doing the pretzel. I'm impressed. And then the second one, are you ready to be a snake? Yes, we know that Lenny can be sharks and Superman and gorillas, and now Lenny will be a snake. Big breath. Nice job, Lenny. And now it is your turn. And if you haven't yet, leave me some comments and let me know what else you would like to see so I know I'm delivering more of what you need and what you love. And now it's your turn to stretch your body, stretch your body. Now you know just what to do. Rest your body, rest your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.